Hi everybody, I'm Philip Duncan. Thank you for joining us for our Thursday weather video brought to you by Country TV on Sky Channel 081. Well, around New Zealand we've got a few things going on, and there's a few things going on around Fiji. We'll start with Fiji just quickly. Zina falling apart now. This was the storm that tracked south of the main island, and then even though it's moving in towards Tonga overnight tonight and into Friday, it's weakening further and moving quite quickly. So we're hopeful Tonga won't get too much in the way of trouble from that overnight tonight. As for New Zealand, well, we're a long way away from this stuff. High pressure in between us and them, so we don't have to worry too much about the tropical storms coming our way. But we do have a Southern Ocean system pushing in towards the South Island. Some heavy rain overnight tonight and Friday, very early Friday morning on the west coast of the South Island. Then it moves into the North Island and falls apart under high pressure, which you can see quite clearly here on this rain map. So this is taken later into Friday afternoon or evening, or getting towards evening. You can see that front falling apart as it moves into Northland later in the day. A couple of showers also for Gisborne and East Cape. Now there could be showers in between as well. Hit and miss. It'll be a bit cloudy as that system moves through, but the day is still fairly dry despite that weak front moving through for you, and the South Island does see drier weather. As we move in towards the weekend now, Saturday you can see light winds, but look at this, the warmer weather is coming back to the north. So we've had a couple of cold mornings. It's been chilly, right, across the country. I've been sleeping better as a result of it, though I'm sure many of you have too. But this is the weather that we've got for Saturday. Northerlies coming back, southerlies on this side, and a bit of a convergent zone out at sea. Now it could move back in towards some of these main areas like Northland, Auckland, Coromandel, Bay of Plenty and East Cape Gisborne. So keep an eye on it, even though the forecast is still mainly dry, with all this rain just hovering around the coastlines and heavy showers, it's one to watch. Most other areas are dry though, and it stays the same on a Sunday. That rain just sliding along the eastern side, northerlies. In fact, this is subtropical again, back to the upper North Island. Now it won't be super hot because it's just not that right sort of weather at the moment. The air's not coming from a place that's significantly hot, but it's still warm and humid, and that's the reason why we're seeing some rain coming back, and the overnight lows jump back up after tumbling down again earlier this week. And also in the South Island, your cold snap's coming to an end, back to northerlies and northwesterlies on Sunday. That'll lift your temperatures up. You got wet weather for the west coast coming in across Sunday, Monday, Tuesday of next week, maybe even Wednesday, before it finally eases as high pressure builds. Now don't forget, for the 10-day long 10-minute forecast, you can go to Sky Channel 081 Country TV.